Now to continuing coverage on a mother found murdered in her Lorain apartment. Her ex-boyfriend, 30-year-old Albert Fine, is expected to be extradited back to Northeast Ohio sometime next week after he was arrested in Kentucky. Police found the body of 26-year-old Catherine HOLHOSKI in her Tower Boulevard apartment on Wednesday. Her cause of death is not released. News Channel 5's Shay Harris spent the day in Lorain learning more about these two people and joins us live in the newsroom tonight. Shay, there is a baby involved in all of this.
That's right, Lee. I spoke with a neighbor who says the couple's baby arrived in March and only weighed 1 pound, and now she's 6 pounds and doing much better. But the problem now is the mother who just gave birth to her in March is dead, and police think the child's father is responsible.
The thing that's really upsetting is if he stayed in the house while she was in there dead.
Bud Lumen says his family is devastated after hearing the truth about the disappearance of his neighbor, Catherine HOLHOSKI, the woman Lorain police found murdered Wednesday at her apartment building. He says he's disgusted that Albert Fine, Catherine's boyfriend, and the father of their 5-month-old child, Jasmine, and the man police claim is responsible for her death, continuously took advantage of Catherine's mother's kindness while knowing something was wrong. He was still going to the hospital.
Yes. That's what we understand.
Lumen says Catherine's mother would pick Fine up from the apartment he shared with Catherine and drive him to the hospital to see his child. Yet Fine never let on that something was wrong with Catherine.
Their thought process can't be right to withhold something like that to a dear person that I'm sure they love because they shared a child.
Lumen lives just 2 houses away from Catherine's parents. He says he feels their pain.
Usually the parents think that they are going to go before their children. Their children are going to outlive them.
He says Catherine's parents were very worried about her disappearance because she visited Jasmine daily, then just stopped.
We thought that because she had a child and she shared with a boyfriend that they had some love between them and love for the child.
Lorain says he never met Fine, but believed things were okay between the two.
I thought because, you know, she chose him as a boyfriend, that's her choice, and she made, hopefully that she had made a good choice. That's what you hope for.
Now, one neighbor tells me that the baby is due to have another surgery soon. Meanwhile, Lorain investigators will know next week when Fine will be extradited back to Ohio to stand before a judge. In the newsroom, Shay Harris, News Channel 5.